Welcome back, guys. It seems like actually from a previous video, apparently I didn't know what I was really talking about. Whatever you guys watched from the previous video, forget about it. It is all
made up.
it took me, a couple hours trying to figure out what actually I got, because I legitimately didn't know what I got. Because from the video before, I was explaining that this is an N54 engine. Nope, it's not an N450. It is actually N55 engine. Third generation, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Because apparently I was wrong for everything. Video, I guess guys can call it this is a proof. I have no idea what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna figure it out. And I'm thinking, together we will figure it out. But I figured something else. On the back of the car, since it's a convertible, we have these airbags or V-bars, I guess you can call them, that they're supposed to be on a spring. Talking about these metal bars right here behind the seat. This seat supposedly should just pull up and it should pop out. Cause this is pretty cool. This is apparently like a airbag system that gets triggered if the car gets rolled over. But the good thing in this, it's a device that actually can be reset and you can do it again. It's not like your airbag where the airbag just blows up and then now you need to go and buy a new airbag. Those are expensive, by the way, because I bought two. And the other thing, and apparently this should be a European model. Yeah, Matt Armstrong. He is rebuilding Austin Martin, like a new version, and Austin Martin came, I believe, with an airbag, a knee airbag, and I guess that's a requirement for Europe or something like that. But the US version of it doesn't have it. So I called the BMW and actually asked him for a price, because I was just curious, to see how much money is gonna be the total, between BMW and me. Because actually, so I'm gonna start writing down here how much you get the vehicle and everything, and then over here the Carfax, and then this is the price that we need to follow, or at least, once again, that's the idea. I'm telling you, it's crazy. Let me see if I can pop those guys out and show it, because this is gonna be pretty cool. So weird is it gets, you just force it up and that's it. There's no trick, I guess, behind it. I'm thinking to be able to really show you in a better view, it will be if we lower the roof. And honestly, I was delaying that because that is a big deal. I need to hook up the battery and this cable right here. This is actually your power cable, and believe it or not, this cable from BMW was like $350, just because disconnect here and there is a small explosion that happens and separates these two wires. You guys can see the connector right there, but I have something coming up and hopefully it will work. And if it does, talking about savings of $200-300, yeah, stay tuned for that as well. But in the meantime, we're just gonna grab it and we're not gonna stop the car, of course. Changing plans again. Right here in the back, big mess. Yeah, like I said, this cable here needs to be replaced, and actually need to put these guys all together and get this guy into it. I don't know how, but it's the original BMW battery. That is at least $600. Instead of doing that, what about, check this out. Let's come here to the front and see what we need to do, because I really want to start this engine and see if it works. Check this out. So actually this guy right here is actually my hydraulic pump for the steering rack. Seems like it's spinning and it's all good. The only thing that's missing is this guy. A brand new one. Boom. I don't know how legit is that, but seems legit to me. So now we need to put this guy there. Check this out. To be able to put this guy there, actually we need to remove this metal piece that, again, it's coming. Man, that list is humongous. For you guys, should be probably as a 1, 2, 3. You know, a little time lapse for you guys, and see how we're gonna remove this bar, this thing, swap the pulley, and yeah, maybe this guy there. Oh, I have the other pulley as well, this guy here, but let's get it cleaned up a little bit, huh? Man, this looks expensive. One down, one more to go. Success. Okay guys, let me show you. This one seems like got rubbed or something. I'll for sure get a brand new one, but for now, why not? I don't know. If it's not broken, don't fix it. Well, okay guys, well, let me show you what I have left. This guy or this guy. I really hope this is the right one. Maybe that's Slipgate, I don't know. If someone else let me know, because I don't know. Well, this is what happened. Well, it is too big. It seems like I'm gonna return this guy, and again, I'm gonna order the right part, hopefully. Crossing my fingers. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. That really helps with the channel and support the channel, and helps me to work on projects like this and show you that everything is possible as long as you want it. The only thing stopping you, it's you and nobody else. So, without further ado, I'll see you on the next one.